Guys, it is Candy here with Crazy Eight's Life, and I have my January Boxycharm to unbox today for you. I know it is the end of the month, so there's probably been plenty of these out, but I'm going to go ahead and show it to you anyways. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription beauty box that gives you full-size products, and sometimes sample size, sometimes some beauty styling tools, all kinds of stuff, beauty related. It is $21 a month for the basic box. We also have a Boxy Luxe and a Boxy Premium. Now, there will also be a link in the description below to subscribe to Boxycharm and get a discount on your first box. So check that out, and we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so first of all, we have a little postcard. On the back of this postcard, it will list the items and I believe the prices. Yes, the retail prices of each of these items. And I'll go through that. As we're going through the box. So let's go ahead and just start at the top. On the very top, we have this Dr. Brandt DNA. It says do not age, and it is a triple peptide eye cream. I love getting eye creams because otherwise I don't buy them. I just don't. I like getting them in my boxes and just using what they give me. So this is $82 retail. I wouldn't pay $82 for an eye cream, so I will be glad to try this out. It says this deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. So that's the first item. The next item is a Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. It's kind of glaring on there. So there's that. I'll go ahead and open the package here. So this says essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. And this resales for $33. Here's the packaging here. All right, so real quick, this is the packaging for the eye cream. Also a tube. Lip balm. Eye cream. All right, the next item is going to be this. I have gotten so many toners lately. I don't know what is up with that. I don't even ever really use them, although I know I should. But I got another toner. This is a Pharmacy Deep Sweep. Let me read it off of here. 2% BHA pore cleaning toner. It's alcohol free, exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping the skin. Ideal for combination oil or acne prone skin. And it says it retails for $28. I'll go ahead and show you the packaging inside. I've gotten two toners lately, like in the last 2 months from boxes. So there's something going on with that lately, but here's the packaging. And I mean, I'll use it anyways, but I had quite a few. Actually, one of them I lost, and I have a feeling one of my kids kind of walked off with it. So maybe it's not a bad thing I got another one. Okay, so the next thing we have is a Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. Okay, The next thing we have is this Laura Geller highlighter. It says Heart of Gold, and it is, it doesn't look gold on here, but it definitely, especially this one, definitely has some like gold flecks in it. And I do like highlighter, although I do not need highlighter right now. So we'll see. I don't know if I will use that or not. And then the last thing is a palette from, I'm not sure how to say this. I love this brand though. I want to say Ciate. It looks to me like Ciate. I'm sure I am butchering that name, but this is the Velvet palette. Looks like my box a little beat up. I haven't opened this yet, so I don't know what happened there. The color of this packaging is really pretty. It's like a, it's not quite a lavender, but really pretty purple color. Okay, I can't get this open. My nails, oh my gosh, are extremely weak. Hey God. I seriously can't get this open. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm kind of embarrassed, but I had to go get a knife to get this palette open. It is not the palette that's the problem. It is my nails. They are so weak. I don't even know what to do about it. So maybe you guys can help me out. Let me know if you guys have really weak nails and how to strengthen them or what you do. But I'm going to show you this palette, and this is the last thing in this box. And hopefully you can see that. I think it has some nice colors in there, honestly. It's really pretty. I'm not very good at doing eye makeup. I have never in my life been good at doing eye makeup, but I've been kind of trying to here and there. And a lot of problems with the palettes that I get, they are just not colors I would use. They're bright blues, purples, pinks, and I'm just more kind of neutral. So anyways, this looks like a good palette. And I do like this brand. They have some powder. Love it when I get them in boxes because I don't buy it. I just get it whenever I get it in a beauty box. And I use it, and I've had a couple and I have used them both and they are gone. And I've been sad. So my sister actually has one in her giveaway box that she's doing right now. I don't know if it is too late, but you may want to check her out at Life with Heather G, and I'll put a link up here to her site, and she's doing a giveaway right now, which should be ending this week. So head on over there and check her out. Get a chance to win her products. She's got some great products in there. One of them being this brand, but like a setting powder, and it's amazing. So guys, that's all for this month's Boxycharm, and I probably will not have another one for a while because I did cancel that temporarily anyways. I'm just trying to cut back on some stuff, and so that was my last one for a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like watching unboxings, I do several other unboxings, and make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you hit that notification bell, it'll update you every time I post a new video. And I can't wait to see you at the next unboxing. Bye guys.